We work all over the country, and what's great about that is that allows us to really see where trends are coming, where they're going. It's also given us the opportunity to really dial in our process so that we can make it easy for a client, no matter if they're in Michigan or if they're on the other side of the world. It all starts off with a discovery meeting, and in that discovery meeting, we are going to sit down and walk you through our process. I've broke it down into these 8 stepping stones to make sure that you're well aware of where are you in the process, what's next, and how do we get to the end game. But more importantly, we're going to sketch together. You're going to see your plan come to life in front of you. It's the first draft, so it's not super refined yet, but we're going to talk about what your wants, your needs, your goals are. And also, we're working out 10 steps ahead to figure out, well, how do we design this house to meet a certain exterior? How do we design it to stay within a certain budget? What square footage do we want to be at? All those things are really worked out in this discovery meeting. And really, we have a lot of positive feedback saying it's a great time. It gets you excited about the process, gets you excited about building a new home. So throughout the process, we're doing multiple things to make it as easy as possible for you to understand what your home is going to look like. We're going to develop our 3D walkthrough. We send you a link when the meeting's over that you can then pull up with your friends and family and sit down and really walk them through the house. Show them all these really unique, cool spaces that we've developed together.
The collaboration process with TK Design for us has been everything. TK Design has been a home run for us. The thing that I appreciate about TK the most is just how collaborative they are. And they say, what are you looking for in a home? What are you looking for in design? From the initial intake meeting, which is just us, our qualified client, and TK sitting down on a video call and just going through what the client's looking for. The client describing, this is what we're looking for in a home. This is what I want. These are my must-haves. And the team on the other side hand sketching this drawing and getting to the end of the call saying, is this kind of what you envision for your home? And the homeowner's jaws hitting the ground because we actually listened to what the customer was asking for when we delivered. TK is a part of our business now. And it's to the point that I'm telling customers, if this doesn't work for you, you don't work for us. And it's okay. We're not the builder for you. So TK, for me, you're a business partner. My team spent a bunch of time writing down, hey, I've got to have all of these details in a set of plans. I said, great, keep writing it down. They looked at the very first set of plans to come from TK and they said, I think we solved our problem. We didn't have to go back and say, hey, we need to add these notes, we need to add these details. It was already there. It's as if TK already knew what we were looking for. They had it in the plans as their initial offering, and it just made our life building a home that much easier. And when you can partner with an architect firm who is invested in your vision and ensuring that you get the home that you wanted, that's a really special thing.
Ultimately, this entire process is designed to make sure that we create a home that you love. We use the best team, the best tools. We really focus on how do we gather all those wants and needs on the front end that we talked about in the discovery meeting to ultimately create this set of drawings that you can now submit for permit. We know working remotely can be intimidating, so we are always dialing in our process to make sure we continue to receive positive feedback.